Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as we are on the verge of a switchover worldwide, meaning that Windows 11 will now take over and be the most popular version of Windows, and it's already happened in North America. In North America, Windows 11 is actually way ahead now of Windows 10, but we expect, if we look at the data from all over the world, that this will happen maybe this month or next month as the Windows 11 market share is running fast. But the question at Windows 10, which now is at 10 years, how high did it go? How high did it go? And how long did it take for it to reach that height? So I went back to look at the stat counter data, and it's kind of interesting. So Windows 10 was released in July of 2015, July 29th, 2015. But it took up to here, this is the peak, December 2021, to reach its highest level of Windows versions at 82.5%. 82.5%. That meant that the majority of PCs, and a big majority of PCs, were running, of Windows PCs, were running Windows 10. It was very dominant. And of course, then it starts going down because there's this new thing here that starts to go up as we have Windows 11 now slowly taking market share and ending 2022 when it was released here. So you could see that the curve starts as soon as Windows 11 started to appear right here, and the end of 2021, basically, we start having this curve where Windows 11 grows and Windows 10 starts to slowly go down. So that puts Windows 11, of course, at 4 years this fall. Incredible, but yep, already. But before the decline, we had reached 82.5%. It's pretty good for Windows 10. And of course, if we look at the data from Stat Counter today, well, Windows 10 is at 48.8. We're going to have new numbers later this week on Friday, which this is going to change. So this is for June, the latest numbers we have. Windows 11 at 47.8. I suspect there could be a reversal this month. We're going to see that on Friday as the July numbers will be released. But it's interesting to see the stats. It took 6 years. 6 years for Windows 10 to reach the peak at 82.5%. So it was a nice number. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.